My new listing is newly remodeled and tucked into a peaceful neighborhood just under a mile from the vibrant energy of downtown Sunnyvale and its Caltrain connection. What more could you ask for? Enjoying a short walk to schools and beautiful parks like Fair Oaks, plus close to proximity to major tech hubs and easy access to Highway 101, 237, and the Central Expressway. Convenience is always within reach. See you inside! Welcome home! Sleek wood flooring welcomes you into a bright, open floor plan with energy-efficient recessed lighting and dual-pane windows that flood every room with natural light. The gourmet kitchen featuring high-end stainless steel appliances and tons of cabinet space. As we glide past the dining area, a large folding glass door opens to the gorgeous backyard. The private suite includes a spa-like ensuite bathroom with a separate soaking tub, stall showers, dual sinks, and a massive walk-in closet with custom organizer. The home also offers 2 spacious bedrooms, each with its own closet, along with an updated bathroom featuring a stall shower. Lastly, the stunning backyard features a relaxing deck, a spacious grass area, and a variety of plant life. That brings my tour to an end. I'm your neighborhood realtor, RENNA. If you have any questions, feel free to call the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And see you this weekend. Bye now!